You have an environment built on Microsoft Azure, and it needs to be FedRAMP compliant. What are the security controls you need to put in place to accomplish this? Hi, my name is Scott Chapman. I'm the CISO for Project Hosts, and today I want to talk with you about the SC family of FedRAMP controls. SC stands for System and Communications Protection. There are 32 controls in this family, and you get to inherit 5 of them fully from Azure. A key part of this control family is protecting your boundaries, both your external and internal boundaries. We do this through putting in place subnets throughout our environment. We have separate subnets for all of our security services like our DMZ, our gateway subnet, and our administrative subnets. And we have separate ones for dedicated customers. We have separate ones for various multi-tenant applications and also for test environments. In each of these subnets, we protect them with network security groups, which ensure that servers in one environment can only talk to the appropriate servers in another subnet. So we've blocked all ports and all IP addresses except those necessary for communication between subnets and to the outside world. Another way to protect, especially from the outside world, is to ensure that you have as few connection points as possible to external networks like the internet. What we do is we have almost all of our traffic from the internet come through web application proxy servers. And those servers are highly locked down and are running host intrusion prevention software on them. That limited front door is very important for protecting our environment. In addition to protection, this family talks about encryption. And the encryption that is in place has to follow the FIPS 140-2 encryption guidelines. And they have to do with how you create, manage, and store your encryption keys. They have to do also with the modules that you use for your encryption, both for asymmetric and symmetric encryption. Encryption has to be in place for all communications into and out of your environment. And you have to have the ability to do encryption of data at rest. And for DoD environments, encryption of data at rest is mandatory. In addition to protection and encryption, there are some other areas that are covered by this family of controls. For example, DNS, how that's handled is covered. And also, how do you lock down in shared resources or multi-tenant applications to ensure that one customer is well separated from another customer. In addition to that, there's public key infrastructure, which is something that you may need to put in place for yourself if you're providing smart cards for your environment. And also, which public key infrastructures do you use for your TLS communications? Finally, for mobile code, what do you allow in your environment? Do you allow JavaScript? Do you allow ActiveX? What kind of mobile code do you allow? So these, in my mind, are the highlights of the SC family of FedRAMP controls. Please let us know if you have any questions about the SC family or FedRAMP in general. And please have a look at the other videos in this series and let us know what you think. Thanks very much.